Hi and welcome to the PLP Pre-Vocational Learning Program. We are doing the foundational mathematics and we're looking at module 1.1, which entails the number line. Now the number line consists of numbers that starts from 0 in the middle, which we can call our reference point, and then if we go to the right of the number line we find our positive numbers, which are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in this case up to 12. They are the positive numbers, and we've got on the left side of the number line our negative numbers, which will include -1, -2 up to -11 in this case. Now these numbers are then called integers, and when we use a number line we will move from 0 to the right when we have to add or positive, and we will move from 0 to the left when we have to subtract or go into the negative direction. So remember now, in order to use a number line, you must know that to the right is to add and to the left is to minus, or to the right is positive and to the left is negative. Now you will use the number line to add and subtract these integers. Remember, if we have a problem such as 2 plus 5, we know what the answer is, we may not use a calculator. And I want to repeat this: you are not allowed to use a calculator. So that is out. You must make use of the number line. So to solve this, according to what we've just explained on the number line, the first number, which is 2, is the number where we will start on the number line. So we start at number 2. Our sign, which is positive or plus, tells us in which direction we will move. Remember, positive or plus is going to the right on the number line. The last number then will tell us how many places we must move. So we will move 5 places, and where we end up, that will be the answer to this problem. So demonstrating that, we start at 2, our direction is to the right, so we're going to move 5 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, we end up at 7, so 7 is my answer. Very easy to use a number line. Another problem, 8 minus 10, so the 8 tells me where is the number I will start on the number line. The direction I will move is going to be to the left because of the minus or the negative, and the places is 10 places. So again, if we demonstrate that, start at 8, move to the left, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 places, and we end up at -2. So my answer for this problem is -2, and that's how we use the number line for adding. You must also remember that sometimes we have more than one sign next to each other, and here comes an important rule. You can see it's flickering there. When the two signs are the same next to each other and a bracket, those two signs, like a positive and a positive, will become a positive, and a negative and a negative will become a negative. So two like signs becomes a positive sign, and the positive and a negative, two unlike signs, becomes a negative sign. These rules are important to remember. We will do some examples. You've got a -5, minus, and a bracket a -2. So we've got two signs in the middle. Both are the same signs. What do we say? Two like signs become a positive. So we can rewrite it as 5 plus 2. And on the number line, we have to go to -5. We have to move in the positive direction. How many places? 2 places. So 1, 2. We end up at -3. Now other example, we've got a -5 and two opposite signs, a plus and a bracket a minus. So according to the rule here, a plus and a minus will become a minus. So it will end up being -5, two opposite signs, -2. And we start at -5, we're moving in the left direction, so we will have 2 spaces, we end up at -7. And this is how we use a number line to find our answers. Remember, practice this. Practice makes perfect. So try and do these problems in exercise 2.5 in your homework book, and practice makes perfect.